Hi, my name is Paul and welcome to my 2-minute business idea presentation. I am an undergrad civil engineer with 10 years practical experience in the field, and I have worked on 3D underground utility mapping. And my business idea is to take the Dial Before You Dig data, which is an Australian government website, and to digitize that data into a 3D georeferenced data that can then be sent to the civil designers and architects during the feasibility stage. So in my market, there are many survey companies that offer service location functions, and they will go out on site and use ground penetrating radar, for instance, and you'll see these spray marks on the ground during these studies, and that is then packaged into a file that is sent to the civil designers and the engineers so that they can space-proof their drawings. So the problem here is that during the feasibility study, that is too detailed and it's quite costly. So why not get the data that you get from the Dial Before You Dig, and from that 2D PDF data, which is time consuming, to then overlay that. My business idea is to do that messy bit of work using the power of AI and existing CAD software to produce a 3D data coordinate system, and you can use the existing asset owners standards for depths of how far down underground those utilities are, as well as the New South Wales Streets Opening Guide to give you the spatial horizontal location in a street carriageway on a road. And then that can then be packaged into a usable file that can be put into any design suite software for the civil designers to space-proof their future designs at the feasibility phase. So thank you for listening to my business idea, and I hope to hear back from you.